Hello minasan, konnichiwa, yukoso, welcome back to Japan Diaries with Hazel. Grabe guys, alam niyo ba na may bagong spot dito sa Gotemba na sobrang worth it itry, lalo na kung mahilig kayo sa seafood? Yes guys, welcome to Yoshino-Dan. Yoshino-Dan is a newly opened Japanese restaurant and specialize sila sa tinatawag na jinshiyaki. Medyo fancy pakinggan no? Pero basically, it's a traditional style ng charcoal grilling ng fresh na seafood. Super sarap at super authentic. Yung seafood nila, carefully selected by professionals, so quality talaga. As in, hindi basta-basta isda lang to. Lasang-lasa mo yung freshness. O diba bongga? Ang cool ng place nila dahil open kitchen setup sila. So habang nag-iintay ka ng food mo, pwede mong panoorin mismo yung live cooking sa Iruri Heart. Yung parang old school Japanese fireplace. Tapos doon nila iniihaw yung isda over charcoal. Nakakatuwang panoorin, promise. Smoky, juicy at ang bango. Primitive style grilling pero ang sosyal ng dating. Sakto para sa mga foodies like me. And check this out. All sets are in private rooms, kaya ang chill ng vibe. Perfect kung date night, family dinner, o kahit solo ka lang at gusto mo ng tahimik na kain. So, if you're visiting Gotemba, whether it's for a shopping spree at the premium outlets or just touring around the breathtaking Mount Fuji, there's one dining spot you absolutely shouldn't miss. Perfect ang location ng place na to, lalo na para sa mga travelers na gustong ma-experience ang aesthetic at authentic na Japanese dining. Yung tipong parang nasa Japan travel vlog ka, ang ganda ng vibes, ang sarap pa ng food. At ito pa, hindi lang siya masarap, Instagram worthy din talaga. Ang presentation, pang feed goals. Kaya kung mahilig ka mag-post ng food shots or travel content, this one's a must try. After a day ng shopping o gala sa paligid ng Mount Fuji, this spot is the perfect place to chill, eat good food, and enjoy the view. At ito pa guys, actually hindi ko in-expect na Tangyaki Donburi na one of my favorite is available dito. Kaya umorder talaga ako. At wow, lambot ng meat at malasa ang seasoning. Tapos yung rice, perfectly cooked, hindi dry, hindi sobrang sticky. Sakto lang, tapos yung tempura, crispy pero hindi oily. May snap yung gulay sa loob. Yung fresh veggie salad, light lang siya, may slight tangy dressing, perfect para i-cleanse ang palate mo in between bites. Wala silang classic ginger highball sa menu, so I asked a separate glass of ginger ale at whiskey. Tapos, inimix ko ang whiskey with ginger ale. And ayan, may ginger highball na ako. Refreshing, classy, and honestly, ang ganda rin tingnan sa photo. Aesthetic talaga from start to finish. So, kung magta-travel ka around Mount Fuji area or nag-iikot lang nearby, this spot is a solid pick. Yes, medyo may kamahalan pero for the quality, the vibe, and the overall experience, panalo. So, if you're planning a trip to Japan or gusto mo lang ng food inspo, save this spot. Kung may iba pa kayong hidden gem recommendations near Mount Fuji, comment them. Mabugas. Pero alam niyo, hindi ako makain nito. Kaya... Ito grabe masarap. So, kakaiba yung mga menu nila. Pero mas naman nakaka-relate ng alak. May in-order po akong whiskey. Nilagyan ko ng ginger ale. Ang sarap ng whiskey, guys. So, isi-share ko mamaya kung ano yung pangalan ng whiskey. Hindi kasi minsan, umiinom kasi ako ng so, okay lang uminom guys ha, basta drink na delivery. So, ang sarap niya, promise. Share ko mamaya kung ano whiskey yun. Yung kanilang hipon, super laki. Alam niyo guys, medyo, or a hipon na ganyan kalaki, medyo pricey po siya. So, hindi ko pa siya na-try kung masarap or ever. Ito, salmon daw po to. So, itry natin yan. This one, salmon daw yan. Salad. Hindi siya ni-istang. So, ito yung dila po ng baka to. Malambot. And the mixed vegetable na tempura. Paborito. Ito yung soup nila. Taba? Wow, ごちそうさまでした。やばかったこれ。結構食べちゃった。満腹だ、満腹です。味は美味しいです。Headed to Gotemba? Or nasa plano pa lang? Mga besh, don't skip this spot. Add mo na sa food trip checklist mo. Legit and worth it. Thanks for hanging out mga ka-diaries. Don't forget to like, drop a comment kung bet mong itry ito, and subscribe for more travel, food adventures around Japan. See you on the next vlog. Same vibes, same bites.